Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and this channel is all about simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be doing some budget-friendly party prep. So today is my 4-year-old, it's crazy that he's 4 already, but my 4-year-old's birthday. So it is Jack's birthday, and we are going to have a party here for him this evening at our house, just with our closest friends and family. So I wanted to take you guys along with me and just show you how I'm planning to prep and decorate for his birthday party. So we are keeping it super simple. I ordered a few things from Amazon. Some things are from Walmart, as far as not really decorative pieces, but just pieces that help with like tableware and just things like that. And then I also have some things from, I think the Dollar Tree is the only other place. So anyway, like I said, this is super budget friendly, but it's really cute. And this is a party theme that can be used for boy or girl. So it's very gender neutral. It is basically like a zoo animal party. So he is very much into safari animals and basically all the animals you can possibly think of. So we're having an animal party today. So here is the haul of everything that we got. So for all 4 of Jack's birthdays now, and then for Barrett's first birthday, I've always hosted them at our house, and I basically just get a little bit of the pieces that are included into the theme of the party, I guess, as far as like characters or whatever the case may be, and then I just kind of grab neutral things that go along with the rest of it. So we're just going to go ahead and start. We'll just start over here. So my inspiration for this, like I said, he's very much into animals and whatnot, so I looked on Amazon for some animal themed party supplies, and a lot of it looked, I mean, he's 4, so he's still obviously very young, but a lot of it looked very like baby-ish, I guess. So anyway, I wanted to make it more, I don't know, big kid, boyish, if you will. So I did find a pack. I think there's like 12 animals in here of balloons that I'm going to blow up with a helium tank that I bought, just because buying a helium tank, it can save you like quite a bit of money, and it seems like where I would normally go, like the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, they never have helium for whatever reason. So I just ended up buying my own to save time and stress and some money. So anyway, this did come, like I said, with like 12 animals. So there's a lion, a tiger, elephant. There's just literally so many to choose from. I'll have this link down below if you want to check out the pack of it. So I grabbed that. So that was the main theme, or the main you know, thing I was going off of. And then to color coordinate, I just grabbed some green and orange plates. You can see, look at this. Baby bear, what are you doing? Are you ready for the party? Running up and down the hallway. Goodness. Okay. Anyways, back to the haul. So I know you're so excited. I grabbed just your basic paper products, and then these are cupcake liners that I actually bought last year for Barrett's birthday, and it came with so many that these are neutral enough. I'm just going to use them again this year. And to go with the cupcake theme, we ended up finding these at Hobby Lobby, and whenever we purchased these, Hobby Lobby had all of their party supplies 50% off. So these are 50 cents a pack. And then also from Hobby Lobby are these paper masks. So we're going to have obviously several kids here at the party, and I figured all the kids can just have one of those. So they were originally $1.99, and then like I said, they were half off of that. So grab that. We actually grabbed 2 packs of those, and then the Giant 4 foil balloon, and that again, that was half off as well. I grabbed this candle from Walmart the other day. It was like $1, I think it was like 98 cents or something. And then this is a burlap. It says happy birthday. It's a banner that I actually used for Barrett's birthday, but I'm going to use it for Jack's as well. And then also from Hobby Lobby, so these are little fans that open up and you stick the animal on there. So you'll see how I do that here in a little bit, but those were also from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember the price, but again, it was super cheap and everything was half off. And then the other thing that I ordered from Amazon is this pack of balloons. So you can't really tell, but there's like leopard print, tiger, trying to think what else. Yeah, just different colors in there. So those are really cheap too. And I think, how many balloons are in here? I don't even remember. There's quite a bit. So anyway, I'm gonna blow up some of those. And then at their birthday parties, as a gift, my mom always gets the boys like a little shirt made to wear to their party. So anyway, she got this shirt made. I just found the inspiration for it on Pinterest, and she has a friend who made it for me. So anyway, that's what I have as far as party supplies go. And then over here, I have some random things. So this is the helium tank that I'm going to be using. This came from Walmart. I really hated to spend the money on this. It was like $40. But like I said, it saved me a lot of time and stress going to another location, because every time I go there for anything, they never have the helium when I need the balloons. So I just bought that ahead of time. And then this is an ice bucket, or like a drink bucket, that I bought from Walmart last week, and it was only $12. So we can use this for, gosh, every party and every kind of gathering. But I'm gonna put ice and like waters in there, because we're just doing like cake, cupcakes, that kind of thing. So nothing fancy. And then I bought this. So we hosted Easter this year, and this is also from Walmart. So it's like a caddy that you have all of your hosting stuff. So we'll have the plates at the bottom, napkins, and then all the rest of the silverware and whatnot, so, or plasticware. So I have that. And then I also have a little wicker tray that matches this, that I actually have outside right now on my back patio. Anyways, I'm gonna bring the tray in that matches this and put cookies or something on that. And yeah, that's pretty much what we have to work with. The only thing I need at this point is like the, food, I guess. So also, little hack for you. So if you ever need these for birthdays, the little like weights, just save them, because this is one of those things that like you need for balloons, but I don't want to buy them like so many times. So anyway, I always save these. I have like a little party closet in my house that has all of the previous year's birthday supplies and things. Are you excited for your 4th birthday? Yeah. Yeah? What are you gonna eat tonight? Are you gonna have cake?
Yeah.
What kind of cake is it?
Animals.
Animal cake? What's on the cake?
Tiger, lion, monkey, giraffe.
Tigers, monkeys, lions, and giraffes. Is it a chocolate cake or a vanilla cake?
A chocolate.
Chocolate? Woo! You want me to open these?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright you guys, now let's get started with the decorating. So I am going to go ahead and hang up this banner first, and I decided to use the glue dots, but you will see in a little later in this video that I do end up using tape instead. I kind of just made like some double-sided tape with duct tape, and it seemed to work a little bit better. But nonetheless, I did go ahead and get this banner up. So first off, I just wanted to go ahead and try to get it centered in this closet, like in front of the closet doors. So this is the closet that has our laundry in it. So a laundry closet, but it's in our kitchen, and this is just kind of a blank space, blank canvas, if you will, with the white doors. So it's just the easiest place for me to kind of set up for a party. to the next step, we're going to go ahead and hang up these fans. So these are super cute and really, really easy. So the little animal heads are double-sided, and in between the animal head is like a little piece of cardboard. Basically, the animal head just sits on top of the fan, and you just open up the fan around it. So very simple. You don't have to tape it to anything or anything like that. It literally just sits inside, and it's really easy. I just think these are so cute and very just like I said, user friendly. So I decided to go ahead and basically just make a little collage on the closet doors. And then you will notice a little later in this video, I did end up moving some and just kind of simplifying it a little bit because it did look a little bit busy. But nonetheless, this is super cute. And like I said, these are just really fun for parties in general. I do believe at Hobby Lobby they had these in different styles as well. So like I said, this is the animal safari theme, if you will, but I know they also had some that was like fish themed. I want to say dinosaurs, just different things like that. So if you are planning a party for a little one, maybe check out Hobby Lobby to see if you can find something similar if you like these. Like I said at the beginning of this video, all of these items that I'm using that are animal themed were 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So again, if you are planning a party, maybe try to see whenever their party supplies go 50% off. That way you can get obviously everything half off. Be a lot easier and a lot better. But anyway, the next thing I did was go ahead and just pop up a simple white table and then add some table linens to it. So the white table is something I had already. Whenever I set up at events, I use those along with the canvas cloth that is on top of it. Those you can purchase from Amazon. They're really cheap, like $10, and obviously reusable. So I can have those linked down below if you're interested. And then the next thing I used was a jute table runner. So I normally use that in my home decor, but again, it just goes really easy with this birthday party theme because it's neutral, really any birthday party theme. So if you just have neutral decor, super easy to incorporate into any party. And then the other items that I found are thrifted, so there's just like wicker chargers and then a little wooden riser as well, and I use those for pretty much every party and different events and things too. But here is the overview of this little area before all the fun stuff like the balloons and cakes and whatnot come in. So this little area was super cute and fun to decorate. Moving on to the fun part, the balloons. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I did end up purchasing a helium tank just to save me some time and stress of getting balloons in and out of my car and just traveling with them and all the things. So it was, like I said, like $40, which I hated paying the price, but for the convenience, it was definitely worth it. I purchased this one from Walmart, but I believe Hobby Lobby has them as well. So yeah, maybe check one of those places if you are looking for a helium tank for a party. But I do want to mention, so these balloons, I got all of them to blow up, but for whatever reason, the animal balloons would not float. So I don't know if I missed some fine print whenever I ordered these. I'm not really sure what happened, but they did not end up floating, so I don't know. But the kids just ended up playing with them, so it turned out cute. You'll see here in a minute that I just kind of used them as a centerpiece on the dining room table where everyone ate, so it ended up working out, but I was so confused as to why they didn't work. But nonetheless, they still look super cute. And this is how the dining room area turned out. So I just ended up putting a green plastic tablecloth over it, and then as you can see here are the little animals that I just set up. Like I said, the kids just played with those along with these little masks that they had. I just set those in front of the chairs, and then I had that faux fiddle fig leaf as a decoration in Barrett's bedroom. So that's what I ended up putting in the center. And then this area I think is so cute too. The balloons definitely made it, and then also the cake, which you will see here in just a second. It was so cute. I found the cake and cookies on Pinterest, and a lady that my mom knows made it, and it looks perfect. Everything was so cute. So the little animal toys she just stuck on there, and then those rocks were edible, so that was awesome. But the cookies were my favorite. I think they are so detailed, they are so cute. Like I said, this is definitely a gender neutral themed party. You can do this for boy or girl, and you can also incorporate different colors if you wanted to do that as well. But if you guys enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you enjoy these party prep style videos, I love hosting in our home, so we have parties pretty frequently, it seems like. We host Friendsgiving, Christmas parties, Memorial Day, things like that. So it's just a lot of fun. But like I said, thank you guys so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.